Hello everybody, myself V. Narayana Babu, lecturer in mathematics, GSI PU College, Mysore. In the last session, we have discussed about how to find the inverse of a matrix. In today's session, let us discuss about applications of matrices and determinants. Applications of matrices and determinants. In this, let us first know about what is meant by consistent system. Consistent system. The system of equations is said to be consistent if solution one or more exists. So, the system of equations is said to be consistent if solution exists. It may be one or more, but in our syllabus it is confined to only one solution. Next, we shall study about what is meant by inconsistent system. The system of equations is said to be inconsistent. Is said to be inconsistent if solution does not exist. So, inconsistent system means the system of equations is said to be inconsistent if solution does not exist. Next, we shall study solutions of system of equations by using inverse of a matrix. Solution of system of equations using inverse of a matrix. So, this is also called as matrix method. Consider the system of equations a1x plus b1y plus c1z is equal to d1. a2x plus B2Y plus C2Z is equal to D2. A3X plus B3Y plus C3Z, that will be equal to D3. Let A equals A1, that is coefficient of X, B1 coefficient of Y, C1 coefficient of Z. Similarly, in the next row, coefficient of X is A2, coefficient of Y is B2, coefficient of Z is C2. In the next row, coefficient of X is A3, coefficient of Y is B3 and coefficient of Z is C3. So, you have to consider a matrix A whose elements are A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. Next, let us consider a matrix X where the unknown variables are to be written in a column, that is X, Y, Z. And let us consider another matrix B where the constants are written in a column, that is D1, D2, D3. Then the system of equations can be written as Ax is equal to B. So here A is nothing but the matrix A, that is A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3 into X. X is the matrix X, that is X, Y, Z. That will be equal to B. B is nothing but the matrix D, the elements whose elements are D1, D2, D3. So D1, D2, D3. Case 1. If A is a non-singular matrix, that is determinant of A not equal to 0, then A inverse exists. Now Ax will be equal to B. Pre-multiplying by A inverse on both sides. So A inverse into A into X is equal to A inverse into B. So A inverse into A is nothing but I. So I into X is equal to A inverse B, because A inverse into A will be always equal to I. So I into X is X. So X equals A inverse B, because I into X will be equal to X. So the solution is got by X equals A inverse B. This matrix equation provides unique solution because inverse of a matrix is unique. This method of solving system of equations is known as matrix method. Case 2. If A is a singular matrix that is determinant of A is equal to 0, then we have to calculate adjoint A into B. If adjoint A into B is not equal to, then the system of equations does not have solution, then the system of equations are inconsistent. If adjoint A into B is not equal to null matrix, then the system of equations does not have solution. Then the system of equations are inconsistent. Okay, thank you.